Hello crafters, so welcome to my Merry Room channel. My name is Anastasia. I'm owner of Merry Room, toys, bags. This is also made by me. What? This is my first long video for my YouTube channel. Today we are diving into the exciting world of AI and how it can elevate your crafting journey in unexpected way. Yes, AI and crafters can be in one sentence. Whether you are a crochet master or an expert in another crafts, AI can be your creative sidekick. Imagine this. You are planning your next marketing content strategy to reach a wider audience. Instead of spending hours brainstorming ideas, AI can help you generate content plans tailored to your craft. With AI, you can automate the process and get suggestions that resonate with your unique style. Next up, captions for your video. Writing engaging captions can be a challenge, but AI can assist you here too. Simply input a few details about your video, and AI can create captivating captions that grab your viewers' attention. Running out of video ideas? AI has your back there as well. It can analyze trends, crafty keywords, and your audience's preferences to inspire your next viral video. And don't worry about grammar anymore. With AI-powered grammar checkers, your captions and descriptions will be perfect every time. But not least, the crucial tags that help your videos get discovered. AI can help you generate relevant tags, giving your videos a better chance to shine. So, whether you are an experienced crafter just starting out, integrating AI into your creative process can save time and bring new dimensions to your content. Thanks for joining me today on Merry Room channel. Don't forget to hit this like button, subscribe and share this video. Until next time, happy crocheting!